Hey guys, I'm doing another Recolor picture coloring. This time I decided to color this girl and make her like a sort of nature girl. So I wanted to do my favorite sunset for the sky, and that is purple to pink to orange and sometimes yellow, but I didn't put yellow in this one. So once I did that, that was pretty easy. I did the grass. Recolor makes it really easy to blend things, and it's so nice. So this honestly did not take that long to do. So pretty much what I did for the grass is I put the darker color on bottom and a lighter color on top to just make it go together better, and I'm happy with how it turned out. And then I decided to put on that line between the nature scene and her face, I put a yellow line as if it was shining out onto her face. And then I did the trees. I had a little trouble with what colors to do, but I finally figured it out. So yeah. So then I added some details to the lightest trees, and then I decided to just darken all the trees up because it looked a little too light. So yeah. So then I just decided to put the base for everything. So I did the base for the skin, and then I did the shirt and the hair because I didn't want to do details yet. But then once I was done with all that, I started doing details on the face. And that's probably what took me the longest. So I wanted to have, as I said before, light coming from the nature scene, so the other side of her face would be darker. So I added a shadow to that. I'm not extremely skilled in shadows and everything, but pretty happy with how this all turned out. So I put some shadows on her eye, and then her nose, and just did all the details around her face. So I'll let you watch that. So then I put her blush on. I tried a lot of new things on this picture, and I'm glad I did. So then I moved on to the neck and just gave it the traditional shadow, and then I did the ear, and yeah. I did her eye, and I just wanted to make it like a hazel brownish eye, so I did that, and then I put some blue in it too. And then I did the lips. I added some highlights and dark spots to the lips to give them a little dimension. And then I took the yellow light and put it out on her face. And I had a hard time deciding what to do for the background, but after a while I just decided to do the kind of nature scene theme, just simpler. And then, yeah, here's what it looks like with all the different effects. I picked the orange one and put more shadow on her face. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. And here's the final picture. Bye!